guys here at PTP Gun, and today we're going to show you the disassembly and reassembly of this American Tactical 1911. The first step we want to take is we're going to make sure that the magazine is out, and that we're going to go ahead and clear the chamber. So I'm going to lock the slide to the rear, check, chamber clear, magazine is out. All right, from there, what we're going to do is that we're going to pull the slide back just enough so that the rear end top of this slide catch, that it matches up with that first little notch at the bottom of the slide. So we're going to match it up there, and when I do that, it'll look like about there. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my knife and I'll pop that out. Pop that slide catch out. Release that forward. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to depress on this right here, this plug. And I'm going to rotate the barrel bushing out into the right. Release this plug and spring. Then I'm going to slide the slide off, and out came the spring guide. From here, I'm going to rotate the other way the bushing just to there, and I'll be able to slide that up and out. From there, I can go ahead and lean that forward. I can slide this barrel up and out the front. It's going to be tight. Right, and now we have our field stripped 1911. For here, we got our slide, we have our barrel, we have our barrel bushing, we have our plug, our spring guide, and our frame. To reassemble, we're going to start by placing the barrel back into the slide, starting from the front of the gun and sliding it back. Once that's in, right, then we are going to put back on our bushing. There, slide it down, rotate it back the other way. Then we are going to, what I like to do is I will start to mount the slide onto the frame. Right, I'm going to put the barrel, the spring guide back inside there. Alright, bring this back forward a little bit. Alright, rotate the bushing to the right, my spring down in there, my plug on top of that, run that down in. Then once I got that captured, I'm going to capture it and keep it in there with my bushing. Now we got to match this back up so we can insert the slide catch. Right? So I'm going to pull it all the way back. So I matched that up right there. Right, matched up, fully seated in. Release that forward. Do a function check. And that is the disassembly, reassembly of this American Tactical 1911. For more videos like this, for disassembly and reassembly of your various firearms, both handgun and shotgun, and even rifle, be sure to follow us on Instagram and Facebook, as well as subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you again. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Be sure to join our blog on PTPGun.com, and remember to train to survive.